Hi, I'm Kelly Robbins,
I'm Kayliya.
and this is Plato's 6 o'clock news. Today, we're going to go over earthquakes. There was a massive earthquake just happened, and my friend Kayliya here, she's going to tell you all the tweets we got. Go ahead, Kayliya.
Okay. From Twitter @_blue_orange_round. Holy Squad just experienced an earthquake. #dead. At Mother Nature_sucks. Oh my God, an earthquake. Hope I survive. #owie. At Ghetto Voquisha, it's an earthquake. Just got my weave done. #save the weave.
You always have to save the weave. So we're going to go to our field lady, and she's going to tell you everything that just happened, and we'll recap later.
Okay, so we are at the scene of the recent earthquake, which is a 4.1 on the Richter scale. The Richter scale is what measures the earthquake on how large or small it was, and a 4.1 has destroyed most of the area. So during this earthquake, during the earthquake, what happens is two plates, tectonic plates, come together, and when they rub, they kind of collapse a little bit, and one goes underneath the other, and that's what causes the earthquake. And so here, it's been very, very tragic. Oh, here comes one of the victims. So, how was your experience during the earthquake?
It was horrible. I was just cooking me some food, trying to eat, and then next thing I know, the house started shaking. So I thought it was just our foundation about to break. So I ran outside. Then when I ran outside, a tree limb fell, and it fell on my leg, and I fell. And so then my neighbors came and got me off the ground, took me to the hospital, and they got me off.
So, can you tell us how you knew it was an earthquake happening?
Well, I was sitting at the kitchen table and I was trying to eat something. Then I was going to put my fork in the mouth, and then I was like, oh, why can't I get it in my mouth? And then I saw my pictures falling off the wall.
Well, I'm sorry. So, did you know here in Clearville we are close to a fault line? So, when earthquakes happen quite often around here.
No, I didn't know. I just moved here like a week ago.
Okay, so we're back at the scene of the recent earthquake, and we've got new information. People say that the shaking motion was horrific, but not to the point where it could break things, because it was a 3 on the Macaulay scale. The Macaulay scale is used to measure the intensity, or it describes damage of things that have fallen. And people around here say that some things have fallen, but not everything. And we found out that where we're at is close to a fault line, and faults are the fractures in the earth that make up Earth's crust, and earthquakes tend to happen around it.
Action. Welcome back to Plato News. So, to recap what our field lady just said, the earthquake was on a 4.1 on the Richter scale, and a Richter scale is how large the earthquake is. The plates came together at a plate boundary. The shaking motion was not so intense to where it hurts everybody, but little casualties. It happened at a fault, and faults are fractures in the earth that make up Earth's crust. It was on a 3 on the Macaulay, my colleague says. And this scale is used to measure the intensity, describes the damage to structures. On some things fell, but not everything. Okay, that is our recap. Come back next week and we'll describe how Grandma Patty makes her best peanut butter jelly sandwiches. Welcome, Black.